Oh my god. Dude, do you wake up to Reveille every morning? Is that what happens?
No. I wake up to colors every morning. Colors every morning.
So you wake up at colors? Wow, what a piece of shit. Oh.
Well, fucking Greece? No, bro. Fuck Greece. Heimlich.
Yeah, they're anti-Semitic. We don't like that.
Who's Heimlich? Heimlich. You know, I've noticed that my character.
To me.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
That's the way half these guys are. Yeah. Just random people are muted.
Yeah, I wonder why.
A lot of use of the hard R.
What's the problem with using the hard R, bro? Retarded?
Yeah, you gotta say it like a Boston accent.
Yeah.
Like retarded.
You lose the second R. You put
Yeah,
the,
like a true,
you put the second
like a
R
true
next to the first.
R-tard.
Yeah, retarded.
That.
I don't like when people use that word.
It's because you took all the chromosomes.
Yeah, that's
Well, it's
retarded.
also because
you
you're
gave me
in a
all of
party
them.
chat
Like Captain
and you're not
Crunch.
in all chat.
You're all the party I need, Jeff.
Don't say my real name online.
Are you assuming my
Well,
name?
it's okay because he's not in the party chat.
We never know who's listening.
Bill Gates is listening.
Okay.
Billy. Old Billy.
Hey,
Bill
Joe.
Gates.
It's Bill Gates. I'm here
Oh,
to
William.
talk to you about your extended warranty.
Watch out, they're coming Main Street by the...
Have you thought about buying an Xbox and playing Pal World with your friends?
Hey,
On
have you
Game
guys
Pass?
thought about...
On the Game Pass? Yeah. Billy Gates here.
No, no, let me tell you
Billy
something about
Gates.
something I
Your
heard, guys.
friend Billy.
Have you heard about this website called
Billy
Exploit?
Oh. Expert voice is real, dude.
Yeah. If you sign up.
Yes. Expert what's real?
Expert voice. I'm gonna go this Saturday to some kind of presentation about it. You guys want to join me?
Fucking timeshare.
Hostile launched a cruise missile. Friendly machine.
This is why. This is why no one likes you, Brio.
Bro, I was laughing so hard last week. Like fucking.
I'm just trying to share some information.
I still haven't
Discounts with my friends. If they just buy 10 fucking things
shut
for
up,
me.
Sissy, you fucker. By the way, yeah, I signed up, and yeah, it's legit. Well, thanks, Soupy. That would have been nice to fucking hear an hour ago.
But it was some very good material we got out of that,
Yeah,
so
it was.
I think it was worth it.
It was totally worth it.
They have a Cerberus.
There's an evil RC car.
Oh, yeah, there is. In our spot.
Why do you call it Cerberus?
Because isn't that
Johnny
what it was called?
Five,
Like
bro.
What's it
in
called?
Black Ops 2? Wasn't it called that? or
Johnny
something like
5.
Oh, it's a Wilson. That's right. Yeah, I don't know why I call it Cerberus.
Because you're a nerd.
Yeah. Johnny
Sure,
5.
Fuck.
that? Johnny 5 is alive!
Taking the lead.
Yo, someone has actually recreated Johnny 5. I don't know if you saw that. He spent
Yeah,
a
what
shit
is
ton
the
of
guy?
money.
The sex robot, right?
The guy from Mythbusters, right?
Yes, sex robot.
Yeah, right there.
That's a horrible sex robot, Johnny
Johnny
Five.
5 wants to
Yeah,
die.
but it's
Please
gotta be
stop
the
making me service you.
Yeah. Please disassemble. Please disassemble Johnny Five.
Wagon.
Johnny Five. Please kill me.
Benjamin. So fucking stupid, man.
Short Circuit 3. It's the shortest circuit.
I'm big in Japan.
Fucking short circuit 3, the edge.
My wrist hurts.
The editing.
The edge. The edge of the circuit. The edge of the circuit.
The edging.
Turret deployed.
Shut up, Johnny
Friendly
Bob. You're
machine
fucking
deployed.
servicing me.
Friendly UAV on station.
Keep
Disassemble.
pleasuring me.
Disassemble me. Ooh, woo.
Guys on our left side, pushed up.
Yo, stop, please.
Dude, everything was fine until you said ooh woo. And then you got mad.
It's like you're ruining it for me.
Robots don't say ooh woo.
I don't know what's going on now, it's gone. Stop.
Who is this guy? Why are you ruining our fun?
Yeah.
Hey, hey, just let you know, buddy, you're in our lobby. Just to let you know.
Hostile care package deployed.
Ooh woo.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Ooh woo, motherfucker.
Can we do it like a... Do you think AI would do a rendition of Johnny Five, the fucking sex robot?
God, yes.
Oh my
We
god,
could,
that's
I mean,
gonna
we
be
can
awesome.
ask. We can definitely ask.
We can
but they have
ask.
to do it.
Yeah, they have to.
No, please don't make me. No, please don't make me.
Out of all the AI turns on us because it sees how fucking perverse we are. As humanity.
Johnny Five
We
is like
actually
their
Johnny
Jesus.
It's like fucking trafficking robots that you like human
Yeah,
trafficking.
right.
Somebody's on our far right.
So, like half
Got
of
it.
that game, I'm sorry.
There's a sniper by the bus stop.
UAV on station.
Gotcha, bitch!
Friendly UAV online.
You feel better?
Yes, no. Johnny Five feels better.
On station.
I feel worse.
As you should.
Look what you
Friendly
become.
active.
This is what Elon Musk is worried about.
Yeah, this is what he was trying to prevent.
Area.
Copy. UAV is on station. Recon online. Got your back.
Oh, dang it.
We've secured the field. Mission accomplished.
Very nice, man. Look how tactical that was. All brain. All dome
Yeah, but
stuff.
that weapon does not look good without the interstellar skin.
It does. Johnny Five.
Oh, a donut.
Man, I just keep getting these cool bullets for
I
weapons
like
I
how
don't
we were
even have.
annoying that dude with our Johnny Five talk.
Please stop.
You pushed him over the edge.
Yeah, ooh,
The fact that he didn't say anything until
no.
that. He was quiet as hell until that.
Yeah, that poor bastard.
It's like, if you know traditional Japanese hentai,
Yeah.
like only
He was
middle
probably-
schoolers say
He was
ooh,
probably,
ooh.
probably wearing the cat ears too.
Hey, I wonder what map we should pick.
Oh,
I don't know.
Rio.
Rio, which one should we choose?
What's up? Which one?
What map
Which
should we
map?
go for?